Kokopelli was tough. Definitely one of the most challenging trails I've ever biked. Summer was on its last leg. Mickey and I had both been talking about doing another trip. When we decided to ride the Kokopelli Trail, I began doing my research and setting up my bike in preparation for our departure. We had a month of planning, which included checking our route, gear, food, and other paraphernalia we may need to bring. We projected 4 to 5 days to complete the trail. I knew it was going to be tough, but I didn't know it was going to be one of the toughest trails I've ever ridden. We boarded a 3:30 train from New York to Chicago to Grand Junction, Colorado. Within a few days later, we were on the trail.
This shell's fucking serious, dude.
How you feeling?
Yep.
Yeah.
good for now.
Just trying to keep momentum.
Roadside break. We're both exhausted. Nothing but bike, hike, push, repeat. We covered some ground, a lot of ground actually, but I am done with checking the maps for right now. We have to hike up this mountain, and over this mountain should put us in a better position. But we got a bit to go. A little bit of what Mars looks like.
Oh, it's okay. I got this, man.
Day 4, checking mileage. Utah, or Mars, if you will. What if we saw an alien come out of that inside that red rock right there? That'd be pretty gnarly.
Coming out like, can I help you with something?
Yeah. This is incredible, man. Like I've never gotten this close to this rock here.
Yeah, right?
Roadside lunch. Here we have tortilla with some peanut butter and jelly. I've been eating this for the past 4 days, along with some like dehydrated meals. Carbs, sweet goodness. Tire's low. I'm gonna check the pressure, pump it up a little bit. Mickey's hitting the gym.
This is not tough enough, man.
I didn't think we'd get this close, but man, this is pretty close. Dewey Bridge. This is a camp spot. We're gonna be parked at for the night. Mickey over there. Colorado River. Looking tasty.
It's the first downhill. The first 10 mile, it was really good.
Yeah.
It was amazing.
We had some nice double track.
It was a beautiful.
It was like kind of
really
fast,
enjoying that.
really fast double track. That was good. The challenge came when we got on that road and then we got off that road very fast where we saw that 1 gallon jug.
Yes, that
Was
downhill.
where I started to lose a little bit of faith whether or not we'd make it here tonight.
Yes.
But we pulled through, man. We saw some epic and we're almost in Moab. We're about like 30 miles out. I think the plan for tomorrow is to take the road in to Moab. So this may be the last night for the Kokopelli, but you know, we'll make that decision tomorrow morning, I'm sure. But it's looking like we're taking the road. Being on the road is not so bad. Besides not having a shoulder. Day 6 in Moab.